Since I'm straightening my hair today, I went ahead and applied the Olaplex #3 that's been sitting in my hair for a little while, and then I'm gonna follow up with the As I Am anti-dandruff shampoo, and I'm gonna deep condition my hair with this Bond Intense Moisture Mask. For about 10 minutes before rinsing it off. To blow out my hair, I'm using the Tymo Air Hype for a heat protectant. I'm using the Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. I've used this before. I feel like the product worked good, but I live in a super humid environment, sunny and hot all year round. So I knew the product wasn't gonna perform any miracles for me. But this week I'll be in a super cold climate. So I'm interested in seeing how this product holds up in a cold climate versus Florida. Once I'm done blow drying my hair, I might use a little bit of this bonding oil. And I'm gonna be very generous with this product. I'm gonna spray my hair down. I'm blow drying my hair at the highest speed and the second heat setting. I think I'm gonna switch the attachment. Usually I would just stop right here, but since I'm straightening my hair, I'm gonna go over my hair again with the blow dryer and this double-sided brush, because the goal is to use my flat iron as little as possible. I'm gonna skip ahead and go ahead and blow dry this section of my hair, and then I want to show you guys the difference between when I blow dry my hair and just leave it as is versus going over it again with my double-sided brush. Here's how my hair looks when I just do a regular blowout versus when I add in that extra step. This is this side. Unfortunately, my camera battery is running low, so I'm gonna let it charge while I finish blow drying the rest of my hair, and then I'll be back. I'm gonna take a little bit of the bonding oil and apply it over my hair. And I'm only using a teeny tiny bit. I'm also gonna just kind of clip my hair up. I want my hair to be shiny, but I don't want it to be weighed down. I'm kind of just clipping it out the way and letting it sit because honestly, it's pretty warm in here. So I don't want to go right into straightening my hair. I can count on one hand the amount of times I've straightened my hair in the past 4 years. When it comes to the products that I use when straightening my hair, I like to get the mini sizes because I don't really see a point in spending a ton of money on products that I'm only going to use once a year, if that. And with that being said, I was kind of back and forth between whether I wanted to use the Tymo straightening brush or the Babyliss Pro straightener. Last time I straightened my hair, I used this. I think I'm gonna use this straightener because I have my heat setting on 410 and I never straighten my hair any higher than this temperature. I'm gonna straighten my hair in 4 sections just to make it easier for me, and I'm going to work in really small sections. I'm gonna do 1 pass to get my roots going down.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you facilitating this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've been having this place on nothing. I'll take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've been having this place on nothing. I'll take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've been having this place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. I'll show you something, give you more than words. We've been having this place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there. Can you please be done? Please be done. Give me that. I want you to give it to me, yeah. Can you please be done? Please be done. Give me that. I want you to give it to me, yeah.
I'm taking the tiniest bit of this bonding oil just to add to my ends. When I tell you the tiniest bit, the tiniest bit. I believe this is the best silk press that I've ever done. If I have any pictures of silk presses that I've done in the past and how they looked immediately after straightening my hair, I'll enter the pictures here. But this routine that I did is the routine that I'm going to do every time I straighten my hair now. I plan on using the same products or at least similar products. The way that I blow dry my hair, the straightening process, I literally only had to pass through each section one time. One, I believe it turned out so well because I worked in really small sections, and two, I really took my time during blow drying. Wait, before I end this video, let me show you guys how I am preserving my hair at night, because I don't like wrapping my hair, but I saw this trick that I'm going to try out. I just got some pantyhose and I cut the foot out. What I'm gonna do is put it over my head like this. Then I'm just gonna get half of my hair. Now that I have put my hand through, I'm just gonna pull my hair through this leg like this. Do on the other side too. Make sure my hair is smooth. The same thing, use my hand to pull it through this leg. I'm just gonna wrap it around like that. And then I'm just gonna tie it so that it's secure. Apparently this works and it's a good alternative to wrapping your hair. So if it didn't work, you guys will know. If it did work, I'll enter a picture of how it looks in the morning, and that's pretty much it for this video. I truly hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you aren't already, and I'll see you in the next one.